Alright, we're going to do a natural dirt with my Bissell cleanview 235-74. I actually haven't done much videos with this machine. It was in the last video. It's in very good condition, actually. I've used it a little bit since I got it. And it runs really good. It is practically brand new when it comes to how it runs. It's got a new belt on it. This filter is washed. They say you can't wash these, you can, and it needs it. It stank. This thing kind of just smelled like a nasty old basement when I got it. It wasn't anything out of the ordinary, really. It's kind of dusty because I don't really touch it that much. I bought it for just collecting purposes, really. Okay. Dusty. Not permit blowing dust, just been sitting. Headlights actually pretty good. Move my cat's pillow. My room's kind of a mess right now. Man, that thing is actually not very loud. got in the brush. Oh wow, this thing is staticky. Get that off with the hose. Yeah, I don't know what that, like, slight scratching sound is in the brush roll. Otherwise, this thing is in good shape, and brush rolls are bound to wear out, obviously. And it's still got loads of life left in it, judging by how much agitation this has, but clearly some dirt got into it somehow from the last time I cleaned it. I mean, I just cleaned it the other day. I guess something just now got into it. I'm assuming something got in one of those cracks. I'm assuming it got one of those cracks that leads to the brush roll there. So let's see what it picked up. I always do this. Trying to avoid mess. Okay. So, yeah, wow. Actually picked up a lot of fine debris. Look at that. What the? I was not expecting that. Wow. There's a lot of sand and sawdust. Look in here, it didn't get dirty or anything. I mean, there's a little bit from it fell out of there, but you can see it picked up a lot of pear. Go ahead and always leaves these carpets so nice looking. Like, it really does agitate well. I'm not going to be doing this room, unfortunately. Wow. Look at how much is, like, just sticking to the bottom. It's so fine. Alright, so, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Peace.